Meaning of L-plate.
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 L-plate. In general, the term L-plate refers to a square-shaped sign that is often placed on a vehicle to indicate that the driver is a learner or novice driver. The L-plate is usually yellow with a black L on it, although the design may vary depending on the country or region. The purpose of the L-plate is to make other drivers aware that the vehicle is being driven by someone who is still learning and may therefore need more time or space to maneuver. The term L-plate can also be used more broadly to refer to any symbol or indicator of a beginner or novice in a particular activity or field.